Hey everyone, it's me Monica with MShaunPlans, and I'm here with an unboxing video. Yay! This is the Erin Condren Spring Seasonal Surprise Box. This box comes once a quarter, so you have the spring box, the summer box, fall box, and winter box. The price of this box is $40 plus shipping, which is $43. It comes in a array of beautiful boxes. If you order like something like some stickers or something like that, it will come in a different box. And you can actually save and reuse these boxes because these boxes are beautiful and they are reversible, and I'll show you in a minute. I did not think to order anything with this particular box because I was in a hurry trying to make sure I got it. And they wrote my address, I think USPS or whomever delivered it, wrote my address on a Sharpie on the front of the box. So I can't show you the front of the box, but this is essentially what it looks like. It's beautiful Flora, this year's theme, and I have not opened this box at all. So it is now open. And we are going to look at the contents on the inside. I'm just gonna pull it off to the side real quick because I don't want my address showing, of course. And on the inside of the box, like I said, this box is reversible, so you can, I still may use it to put in my classroom, but it'll be like this. And it just says on the inside in beautiful rose gold print, "May the beauty of your day take your breath away." Awesome. So the value usually of these boxes are usually between $80 and $100. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take out everything in the box, and the remainder of the box is this beautiful purplish lilac color. And like I said, the box are reversible, so you can just take it out and then repurpose the box. That's what I'm gonna have to do because they wrote my address with a Sharpie on the outside. So we're gonna put the box aside, and these are the contents of the box. This is the card that comes with it that tells you everything in the box, how much everything is worth. As you can see, I have not opened this. I opened it on camera with you. So it just says, make sure you tag us on social. I'm trying not to look at it. It says, step back and embrace the beauty all around you. The spring surprise box was curated to help you appreciate and acknowledge the beautiful moments of every day. From functional notepads to jump-starting spring cleaning to lunch totes designed to picnic outside. So that is what that says there. Again, I'm trying not to look at it, you guys. So we're just gonna put that over here. I genuinely want to be enthusiastically surprised and when I open this box. I was gonna grab a pair of scissors, but I'm not. So let's see. Okay. So these are the contents of the spring seasonal surprise box. The first thing I see is a ballpoint pen and valet tray. This is cute. Reminds me of the cork board material. So let's open this up. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut that off. I'm not gonna play with it today. So this is the ballpoint pen, and I'm gonna assume this is the valet tray. It's like faux leather pink on the inside with this faux cork board material. The tray is attached with 4 sets of let me see. Nope, we're not even gonna try that. It looks like buttons / brads. So those are cute. And then this is the pen. It looks like a wood material with gold hardware. Sorry about that, that was my husband calling. But again, it's this wood frame with gold hardware, and this is definitely a ballpoint tip. So I'm just going to take this little piece of paper, and I know this probably isn't the best. I'm going to just move this off to the side. Okay, writes like a ballpoint pen. Yep, definitely does. So this is cute. I like that. I'm just gonna set that off to the side. And this is the tray that, or this is the thing that the pencil was attached to. That's all that is. So the next thing I see is we have some notepads. You can never have too many notepads. Like I use them all the time in my classroom. So you can never have too many notepads. So you have these two like half circles, not half circles. I don't know what you'd call them. So I'm just gonna, again, pull out my scissors. Told you and I may have cut, no I didn't. I thought I cut my notepad, but I didn't. Okay, there we go. Just gonna throw that on the floor to be discarded later. So I did see on the packaging, it's 2 notepads with 25 sheets each. So you get this cute like color blend deal here. And then you get this with the lines, which is cute, very springy. It doesn't, no, they're not sticky notes. Would have been great, but they are not. Nonetheless cute. And on the back, it has the Flora design. So these are super cute. Like I said, you can never have too many notepads. Never. All right. So the next thing we have is the sticky notepad set. And it says 25 sheets per pad, 50 sheets total. So let's open this up to be discarded later. So, okay. So you have the full circle and the half circle. Okay, and these are sticky notepads, so these will be great to use at school. Again, you can never have too many. Never have too many, so this is gonna be great. So let's put that off to the side. And then we have the Pastel Productivity Page Markers. Oh, yes. Like these. I use these all the time, especially like I teach 3 different grades. And at one point we were reading 3 different books. So I was like, what page are we on? So this will be great. Okay, they're like that. Let's see. You have the asterisk, to do, and today. So these are like that old school page flag that's metal, or made with that metal material, that thin metal material. So these are cute. All right, I definitely can get with this, or to mark in your planner. I know, like I use my petite planner for my weight loss, so I can definitely just use these, turn to the day, keep going. So this is gonna be great. Let's see, what is this? Straw cleaner. Okay, hold up. What is this? Okay, metal straw with the cleaner. Okay, I have several metal straws. Okay, this is nice. It is rose gold. I don't know if you can tell, but it does have the Erin Condren asterisk right there. I guess this was too small to put the asterisks on. And just, okay. Cool. You can never have too many of these. Not that I'm like, oh, you need to use these because they're environmentally conscious. Hey, I think these are cool. Okay, and then you get a carrying pouch with it. That's what kept it together. I'm sure you can place several straws in here. Like me, I would leave them at my desk. And at the end of the week, like bring it home and clean it real good. Or we have a sink in the teacher's lounge, so I can just go in there and clean it real good, let it dry, and then store it back in my desk. So this is cute. Like it very much. And the last item, oh no it's not, let's get to this first. So these are the stickers. So now that we have seen everything, we're going to get rid of some of this paper. So of course we have the stickers, which I do know for a fact these stickers are exclusive to the box. The stickers are always exclusive to the box. So you have some cute stickers with the Floral design, in gold. You have some check boxes, weekend, important, reminder. So these are cute. And then the second page, you have these Flora stickers. Oh wow, these are gorgeous. Outline in rose gold. And of course the camera does not do it justice. This is too cute. Too cute. I like these. But I do know this is exclusive to the box because the stickers are always exclusive to the box. So we're gonna put that aside. And next we have a lunch tote, the Flora lunch tote. So yeah, I have a bunch of lunch totes. So yeah, this is cute. So on the inside, it is insulated. So let me see if I can push this out. It is insulated on the inside. I wonder what these flaps do. Wait. Okay. Ooh. Wait. Ow. Reflector. Whee! Hey, if you don't have a reflector light, there you go. Okay, so you can use this like as a plate or a spot to eat. Like. Ooh. All right. This is cute. I like this. Awesome. This is gorgeous. Like I said, I have a lot of I have a lot of lunch bags because I carry my lunch every day, or at least I try to. If not, I'll usually get a salad out of the cafeteria. But I like this. This is cute. It fans out to be like a placemat of some sort. So yeah, you guys, this is cute. So now let's go back to our sheet and see what is exclusive and what isn't. Again, I didn't look at it. You saw me open it with you guys, so I have no clue what's exclusive and what's not exclusive. So let's look. The Flora Sticker Pack Duo is $6.50, and again, like I said, I knew this was exclusive because the stickers are always exclusive. And I know y'all saw my cord to my light, but it's okay. I had to rig some stuff up so I could be bright over here. Let's see, the Flora Lunch Tote is exclusive and it's worth $18.50. Cute. Would I pay $18.50? No, 10 bucks. 10, max 10. Okay, the sticky Notepad Set, which is $6.50. The portable reusable straw kit is $10.50. I've bought portable straws that had like 5 in a pack for less than $10.50. And I know you're paying for the floral design. So the ballpoint pen and Valet Tray is $20 and it's a sneak peek. I hope they don't sell this for $20. I'm hoping they will lower the price and make this a gel pen. That is my hope, because I don't see myself paying $20 for that. Okay, the Notepad Set is $12. Okay, I would reduce this to 10. I'm just being honest. And then the Pastel Productivity Page Markers are $6. I'm sorry, this Notepad Set is exclusive. And then the Pastel Productivity Page Markers are a sneak peek. So there you have it. This is the Spring Seasonal Surprise Box. If I had to rate it between 0 and 10, 0 being the lowest and 10 being the highest, I would rate it a 7.5. And I say a 7.5 because of the price of the products. Again, $10 for this. I don't think this is worth $20. These are my opinions, okay? And I'm just being honest and real with you guys. The straw set, I would not pay $10 for. Again, I've bought reusable straws, reusable metal straws, less than $10. Don't get me wrong, it's cute. I love the packaging on it, but I don't think I would pay, what did I say it was? $10.50. I just do not see myself paying $10.50 for that. The stickers are normal. I think the notepads are on their usual price point. But overall, again, I would give this box a 7.5. So that is it, you guys. My honest opinion, my honest review of the Erin Condren Spring Seasonal Surprise Box. Again, it's a good box, but I'm rating it a 7.5 based on the price points of the items alone. Okay, so yeah, you guys, thank you for joining me today. If you like these type of videos, please hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell for notifications. That way you are notified each and every time I upload a new video. If you are returning, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. All right, you guys, that is it for me. And in the meantime, in between time, you guys be safe, be blessed, and have a wonderful day. Bye.